When calculating empirical formula, the same general procedure is followed every time. It is shown schematically here. We must first find the mass of each element in the compound. This mass is then converted to moles using the element's atomic mass, and finally the simplest whole number ratio must be calculated. The empirical formula is then written using this ratio. Since we are given mass percentages, we will assume 100 grams of the substance. Any amount would work, but it is easier to use 100. Therefore the mass of carbon is 40.92 grams, the mass of hydrogen is 4.54 grams, and the mass of oxygen is 54.50 grams. Converting the masses into moles is done using the atomic mass of each element. Be sure to keep at least 3 significant figures in your answers. The simplest ratio is found by dividing all of the molar values by the smallest. In this case, the smallest value is 3.41. Since the molar ratio value for hydrogen is fractional, we must multiply all the values by the denominator, 3 in this case, to get the smallest whole number ratio. Using the whole number ratio, we can now write the empirical formula of C6H4O3.